In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a folder with picture symbols in it to be used with the Commtap Symboliser for PowerPoint. We are going to download the Arasac symbol set. This set has over 8,000 images in it and is available in several languages including English, Spanish, French and German. The symbol set is free to use for non-commercial purposes. You can download it from the Arasac website, and you can also download it from the Commtap website. It'll be a little bit easier to do this as you don't need any special software to get the images onto your computer. So if you download it on Commtap, find the Arasac symbols page, go down to the download link and click on it, and you'll be offered to download it. It's quite a big file, so I downloaded it earlier. So once it's downloaded, which might take a few minutes, you'll find a file called arasaccolor.zip in your downloads file or wherever you've downloaded it to. You now need to extract this to get all the images into a folder. So right click on that, click on extract all, and it will offer to extract into a folder called Arasac Color in the same folder. Click on extract and off you go. I've already done that as well because that could take a minute or two as well. So this is what you end up with. Now what you need to do is move that into a folder on your computer where you're not likely to move it. You could also move it to a network folder if you're sharing it with other people. So now you're ready to go back to PowerPoint and click to add that into the Symboliser. So go to the Preferences button in the Commtap Symboliser group, click on that, click on Create Word List Folder, browse to the folder that you just moved, click on that, you'll find the folder name appears in the folder name box, click on OK. So this could take a little bit of time, particularly if your computer is slow or you're on a network. And then when you've done that, it will offer to save the symbol lists in that picture folder. The reason for doing that is for some people, particularly if you're on a network, it can take quite a long time to build up the symbol list. So if you've got a copy there already, it's going to be quicker if anyone else who's sharing the same symbol list wants to use it. I'm going to click on No, we don't need to do that. And now you can enable that symbol list in the preferences and save it. So you're now ready to go and use that symbol list. You can also make your own picture symbol lists. For example, you might want a set of people that you often like to incorporate in your picture symbols resources. Maybe it's people in your class or people in your group or whatever. So I've got a set of people here and their pictures. And I'll just name them by the next set, their names. And for example, Julie, Kevin, and so on. And when you incorporate that into as a symbol list in PowerPoint, if you type their name out and click on Symbolize, then their picture will come up in PowerPoint. So to add that list, it's just the same as with what we did with the other list. Go to Preferences, Create Word List from Folder, click on the People folder, click on OK, OK again, builds the symbol list, and then you can enable it in your Preferences box and save. And now you can symbolize for the people as well. So to find out more about the Commtap Symboliser, you can go to symboliser.commtap.org.